Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has targeted another El Paso nonprofit that assists migrants, and that nonprofit is fighting back. Thank you for choosing KTSM 9 News at 10. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Monica Cortez. Las Americas is an immigrant advocacy center, and they filed a lawsuit against the AG citing a baseless investigation. KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar has been following the story all day. And Jesus, this all sounds very familiar to what we saw with the AG and the Annunciation House.
It is, Monica. Andy, Monica, so this lawsuit seeks a temporary restraining order to block an investigation by Attorney General Ken Paxton, which is allegedly probing into confidential information about Las Americas' clients.
As a legal service provider, we have obligations ethically, legally to our clients, and so any kind of attack like this tries to undergird those efforts.
According to the lawsuits filed Wednesday, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton served Las Americas a civil investigative demand earlier this month, seeking confidential client information.
Ever since the attack on Annunciation House, I think organizations have been preparing for what this might look like.
Garza adding that they were shocked by Paxton's probing nonetheless. The lawsuit argues this is just Paxton's latest attempt to harass immigrant service organizations, making reference of his attempts to shut down the Paso-based migrant shelter network, Annunciation House, and 3 other immigrant organizations earlier this year, all of which have been unsuccessful thus far. But a senior attorney representing Las Americas noted that they are the first organization targeted by Paxton that provides legal services, which they say threatens to undermine their work.
There is a reason that we value that confidence and that trust between a lawyer and a client, because your client has to be able to tell you everything and has to have the confidence that you'll be able to keep their confidences. Anything that puts that in doubt makes not only Las Americas, but their clients think twice before they share information. And that is the worst type of scenario that you want to be in with a client when you're a lawyer.
Now, I did reach out to Ken Paxton's office requesting for a comment. As of this newscast, we have not yet heard back. Now, the lawsuit was filed at the U.S. District Court in El Paso and is pending a request for an immediate hearing. We'll update you as soon as we learn more. For now, reporting from Central El Paso, Jesus Baltazar, back to you.
Jesus, thank you so much for that report. Meanwhile, Paxton did appeal to the Texas Supreme Court a decision by an El Paso judge to dismiss a lawsuit his office filed against the Annunciation House earlier this year.